One night, Max saw the moon shining bright. "Hello, moon," he barked. The moon whispered back, "Hello, Max. Why do you shine at night?" he asked. The moon chuckled, "To keep the night bright." Max ran through the village, lighting up lanterns with his nose. The town glowed warmly, and the moon smiled. From that night on, Max became the little guardian of the night.